This is very big. Such a big train station. Before we get onto the train, we got dinner. And we got breakfast for the next day. Let's eat. So we are gonna get on the train. It says Chiang Mai. Wait, that's the train? It looks pretty nice. This train is so long. Okay, we're gonna take this for 13 hours. This is our car. And we are getting into the first class car of the train. Wow. Oh, this is our room? Oh shit. Damn. Wait, why is it so quiet? Is it electric? I thought it was like diesel. It's electric? That's why it's so quiet and smooth. They didn't even recognize it was moving. Okay, we are finally moving. Hi David. Are you excited? Yeah. And you're leaving the station? We are going out of Bangkok. Wait, how many hours do we have left? like 12 hours?
Yeah, probably 12 hours.
Okay. So we'll probably just sleep and then wake up in the morning. Just making the bed. So there's a bed for one person. And the other person sleeps here. Ah, good, sweet. Hey, what you doing, man? Hey, that's my bed, bro. This is so comfortable. Very spacious. Very quiet, peaceful. Alright. We'll wake up in the morning to see the jungle and the sunrise. It's 5:30. And then I think we are in the jungle. Damn. Look at that. The scenery here is so beautiful. How was your sleep?
Not bad.
Not bad. We only have 1 hour left.
I didn't get any sleep.
Oh really? I had really good sleep somehow. We have arrived. That was the best train ride I've ever had. For real. This is a huge station. Chiang Mai. Let's go. That's okay. That was really fun. What a ride. What a ride. Chiang Mai. Alright, we'll head out and go to our hotel and check in first. There are so many scammers. Oh my god, there's so many taxi drivers here. We're not gonna take taxi here because we know we are gonna get scammed if we take taxi.
Walk out a bit, man.
Yeah. I think we should just like walk.
Yeah, walk out then get back.
Walk out. Yeah.
Oh, I mean 2 แถว is not like 2 แถว okay นะ That one is like not scam, I think.
เอาป่ะ Hey, let's take it. Yes.
She's in a stop for something.
Oh. You're joining someone?
That's how it works.
Oh. Okay. Hey, I like this vibe. This is so good.
คุณเป็นคนที่ไหนครับเกาหลีเหรอ
เกาหลีครับ
เกาหลีขามาสมิดา
Ooh. I think it was like 5 minutes, right? 45. Nice. Pretty good. This is our hotel. Finally found a restaurant to eat breakfast. It looks so good.
Yeah, it looks so good.
It's a Thai breakfast in Chiang Mai, the first meal. Where's your food?
I wonder.
잘 먹겠습니다.
잘 먹겠습니다. 잘 먹겠습니다.
It's so good.
Really?
So now we are going to Wat Umong. Okay, let's go. Umong. Ooh, those stairs looks nice. Okay, there's more here, and we are gonna go up. Ooh. Pooh almost got beaten up by the chicken.
They're fighting each other.
Okay, wow, stairs. At least the weather's not too bad.
Yeah.
See, you're old, that guy's young, so we are like slow.
Oh my god.
There we go.
This is influenced by the Burmese people.
Is it actually?
That's what historic person
Oh.
would say, I think.
Okay. Wow. Nice. I think we should stop here.
Yeah.
Or we're gonna get bird shit.
Oh my god.
They might give you some gift, right? The white thing
Special.
from the sky.
The white thing, man.
Oi, Pooh!
You got white thing on your shirt, man.
It's all white.
Oh, bro.
We are gonna go back to the main area, right?
Yeah.
Wait, how do you call the square area?
Cilium.
Yeah, inner city.
Inner city.
Okay, what temple is this?
What passing?
Wat Pasing. Oh my god, it's so gold. Wait, the shape is like similar, no? From the previous one, it looks the same, like similar.
Yeah.
Like the shape. Is it real gold?
It is
It is?
gold plating. It's like just a thin layer of gold.
Oh, the thin layer.
I'm thinking about like the gold ice cream. You know the one you put on the ice cream
Oh yeah, like the fancy ice
to
cream?
make it more expensive.
Yeah. That was it for what
Yeah.
What
Pachung?
passing?
Passing. Yeah, Wat Pasing.
It broke down. It broke down because of earthquake.
Yeah.
Yeah, like.
I wanna see like what it was, like what it looks like back in the days.
Like,
Taller?
yeah. Taller.
Wow. I think earthquake makes it like more unique.
Yeah. You have a lore behind it.
Yeah. Whoa, this is beautiful. Damn. That's really big. Wait, what was the name of this temple?
I have no idea.
What?
What JD Luang?
Jeri Ruang. It was, I think this one's my number one so far. That's so pretty.
Good vibes.
Okay, finally we are gonna go to the gate. That's the gate. Look at the gate. Whoa! What is going on? There's more birds than humans. So that's the gate of the inner city. Sorry, David.
Sorry, man.
Alright, we are at the cosplay place. There's a queue. Wow. So many people are in the queue. I think we might have to wait for like 30 minutes. I don't know, maybe longer. This is very local.
Yeah.
Good.
Super local.
I'm so excited for khao soi. Looks so good. 잘 먹겠습니다.
잘 먹겠습니다.
How is it?
Very good.
จานไม่กินน้ำเลยกินแต่เส้น
Okay, Koreans finished it a long time ago, but these two Thai people not used to spicy stuff. Bangkokian.
I'm from Bangkok.
He's sweating. Oh my Bangkokians, bro. That was really good. Wow. Very local. A Michelin khao soi. 10 out of 10. It was the best khao soi I've ever had.
And the most spicy one I ever had. So spicy.
Guys, it wasn't that spicy.
No.
We will go back to the hotel. We had a shower, but we are still wearing the same clothes. Anyways, and we're gonna get pizza, right? Because Pop wants pizza. So we got pizza. Thanks, Pop. It looks good.
You welcome.
잘 먹겠습니다.
잘 먹겠습니다. 잘 먹겠습니다.
Okay,
What you do?
finished. And now we're gonna go eat again. We are here at Chiang Mai University night market. And it's pretty big. We are buying our t-shirt for tomorrow. I got I love Thailand. He got khao niao ma muang. He got khao soi. Okay, I'm so happy with this. Bye Loi. What? Oh shit, get in. Rain, phone top. Oh my god. Phone top, come here. Oh. Since it's raining, I think we should go back. Are we gonna drink beer?
I'm gonna bring 100 beer.
Huh? Are we drinking?
Yeah.
And we got Chiang Mai beer, local beer. 전개요.
안녕하세요.
After drinking beer, we got roti.
Wait for the highlight, man.
Yo, and there's one more menu that we are waiting for right now. I think it was Pooh's idea, so
No, it's not
Good. Oh, it's a weird.
this is our third menu. People don't know like how roti and tom yum goes well together.
Yeah, like no one knows.
Like, no one knows, only us know.
Yeah.
Why roti?
I would be. So,
How did we finish everything?
no idea what.
Day 2 finish.
Yeah.
Day 3, right? And we are wearing our shirt that we bought yesterday. He's wearing Waloi. And then he's wearing khao soi. He's wearing khao niao ma muang. And I'm wearing I love Thailand. And this is the car that we're gonna ride. Where are we going? Okay, Wapalat. Let's go. Oh my god, it's so fast. They're going up and up and up and up. You here? That was so fast. Oh.
ครับมาจากกรุงเทพครับ
This is the temple. Wait, what's the name of this temple?
Wat Pala.
Wat Pala. Okay, so we are hiking. Bro, this is so cool. Like in the nature, there's like temples. Oh, waterfall. Okay, let's go see the waterfall. There's the waterfall. That's crazy. Oh, we can go down this way. Do you want to go walk down there? At least? Yeah, let's go. Wow. What a view. I think that was the best temple in Chiang Mai so far. So we're gonna go up again to where are we going? To Doi Suthep. Ooh-yah! Okay, hop. Okay, we're gonna get on the cable car. But it's actually an elevator, like cable car.
Maybe elevator is basically a cable.
Yeah.
This side with those sides.
Get to the window, bro. Okay, we are here. So,
Crazy how they built on the mountain.
I know, right? This is the temple on the mountain. Bro, this is so worth it.
Panorama.
Well, we can see the plane. Do you see the plane moving? What a view. Bro, we can see everything. Hey, Chiang Mai. Chiang Mai. Bye, Songtao. It's Michelin guide.
That should be
My back.
Oh my god, it looks so good.
Look at the man.
It looks so good. You remember, right?
잘 먹겠습니다.
잘 먹겠습니다.
네, 잘 먹겠습니다. Let's eat. Hey, we finished it. I told you, Pooh. It's nothing.
It's very
Oh
big.
wow.
With the whole area.
How is this a university? Wow. I don't know, university could be a tourist spot. Damn, nice view. Nice lake. Look at the mountains. Wow. Okay, I don't know where we are going, but we are going. We're walking. It's kind of scary. Where are we? So, we are gonna drink some beer here before we finish the journey. It's very chilling, very beautiful, peaceful, nice, quiet, good vibes, and just live music. Everything's perfect. Bye, Chiang Mai.